Sound is a wave that needs a material to travel through, like air, water, or metal. But not all materials transmit sound equally well. Good conductors of sound. These materials transmit sound quickly and efficiently because their particles are closely packed and easily pass on vibrations. Examples: metals, copper, iron, steel. Excellent conductors. Sound travels through them up to 15 times faster than in air. Water, sound moves about 4 times faster in water than in air. Glass and wood, also good conductors, though not as fast as metals. That's why, by placing your ear on a railway track, you can hear a train coming before the sound reaches you through the air. Poor conductors of sound, sound insulators. These materials absorb or slow down sound, making it hard to travel through them. They're very useful for soundproofing studios, homes, or noisy spaces. Examples: plastic, polystyrene, styrofoam, rubber, feathers, fabric, rock wool, air, compared to solids. That's why noise-canceling headphones use foam and similar materials to block sound before it reaches your ears. Sound doesn't travel in a vacuum. Without matter, like in space, there's nothing to vibrate and carry the sound wave. That's why in space, no one can hear you scream. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel and check out the other curious videos. Thank you.